This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2021 Gold Rush Basketball Vault 1 box eBay break. September 18th, 2021. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We've got Time for Memories with the Knicks, Raptors, and Jazz. JFitz_38 with the Celtics and Pistons. Isaiah1103 with the Magic, Wizards, and Trailblazers. ELIBRE_4GC9MQKV with the Spurs and the Kings, and also the Suns. Pit P Red with the 76ers. ELIBRE_4GC9MQKV also with the Thunder. Notorious Pit with the Pelicans. JOFIS-5807 with the Timberwolves. ANDIEP281 with the Lakers. Nets, Cavaliers, and Clippers. ELIBRE_4GC9MQKV also with the Bucks. RKRO34_5 with the Heat. ELIBRE_4GC9MQKV also with the Grizzlies, Pacers, Rockets, Warriors, Nuggets. Born Yesterday 7777 with the Mavericks. 2010 BER45 with the Bulls. James IMO-2 with the Hornets. Cooter Pie 610 with the Hawks. That is your full lineup. Okay. We've got your sealed box here. 2021 Gold Rush Basketball Vault. We got 3 extraordinary hits per box. Let's get the plastic off first. Cracking the seal. All right. We got 3 hits in here. 1, 2, and 3. Empty box. All right, 1, 2, 3 hits. Here we go. Hit number 1. Good luck, everybody. Your first hit. We've got a Larry Bird for the Celtics. Established Threads Relic. Beautiful card there. That's out of Absolute. Yes. 2019-20 Absolute. Beautiful. Larry Bird relic. Established Threads. White relic there for the Celtics. So the Celtics strike first. Celtics owned by JFitz_38. Congrats. Very nice. Larry Bird relic. Beauty. Celtics strike first. Very nice. Larry Bird relic. All right, we got hit number 2. Here we go. And we've got a Jaren Jackson Jr. for the Grizzlies out of Prism rookie. Beautiful Jaren Jackson Jr. The Grizzlies rookie. Beautiful card there. Very nice. Jaren Jackson Jr. Grizzlies on the board. ELIBRE_4GC9MQKV. Congrats. Very nice. Jaren Jackson Jr. rookie out of Prism. Beauty. Grizzlies on the board. Grizzlies on the board. Okay, hit number 3. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Hit number 3 coming at you. We've got 9.5 Gem Mint. Marvin Bagley, the 3rd, 2018-19 Donruss Optic, the rookies for the Kings. 9.5 Gem Mint there. 2018-19 Donruss Optic. Very nice. The Kings on the board. Very nice Bagley there for the Kings. 9.5 Gem Mint Bagley. Kings. And Kings owned by ELIBRE_4GC9MQKV. Congrats. Very nice. Very nice Bagley. 9.5 Gem Mint. Very nice card there. 2018-19 Donruss Optic, the rookies. Okay, so we had the Kings on the Bagley. Run back through the hits here, guys. We had your Jaren Jackson Jr. for the Grizzlies rookie out of Prism. Beautiful card. The Grizzlies. And we started out with the Larry Bird Established Threads Relic out of Absolute Memorabilia for the Celtics. So 3 beautiful hits. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking, guys. I really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com, doing 1640 on eBay. I'll be sticking around. We have another break coming up at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's your 2021 Gold Rush Baseball Vault 1-box eBay break. We've got a really, really nice lineup scheduled tomorrow night and all next week as well, so please don't miss out on those. Thank you so much for your support, guys. I really, really do appreciate it. Please be smart, be safe out there.